It is the morning here at Dar es Salaam, and I have an exciting vlog for you guys today. So, getting ready to meet up with some other diasporans, and we're about to go on a road trip because we are going on a Alright guys, so we're here at the meeting spot at Central Park Cafe. Y'all recognize it? So yeah, we have I believe it's like 10 people or 8 people who are going on this safari. So it is a 3-day, almost like 2-day safari, 2.5-day safari. It's about, first we're driving to Morogoro, which is about 4 or 5 hours, so we'll see how we'll do with traffic, and then from there, I don't really know because I didn't really look at all the details. That's kind of how I am. I just like go with the flow. So where are we going, Alex?
We're going to Mikumi Safari, but we're going to see the aminals at the park. Lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my. Well, ain't gonna be no bears. There won't be any bears.
No.
But we got a full crew. We're super excited this morning.
Mountain is called the Ulugulu Mountain. Yeah, in the inside of Morogoro. Because here we are already Morogoro. Yeah, on Morogoro have a mountain. It's called the Ulugulu. That one.
It's really, Morogoro is beautiful. It's surrounded by all these. It's very lush, all these beautiful mountains. I will try to capture some of these gorgeous mountains, but it feels different here. It feels more peaceful. Arrived to the national park. We're like about to check in, and then we're going on a sunset gaming tour.
Those wildebeest over there to the right.
For an elephant. We saw one. Would it left us?
Yeah.
guys, so we just got out the car. Let's look at these hippos. Take some photos. It feels very surreal. They're here. We're here.
Look what and they still have to
The sun is setting right now.
You say you need a time, I think you mean a buyout, cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't.
You guys, so it's the end of the night. I am in my room and it is pouring raining outside, and there's been lightning for like the last 3 hours, like a lightning show, like the whole sky lit up, and now it's like thunder and rain. It's crazy because it's so loud. I don't know. Let's see if I can capture some of the sounds, if you can hear that. But yeah, it feels intense, and it does sound very relaxing and also scary. You hear that? I need to go to bed. It's been a long day, but tomorrow we'll be back for day 2. All right, bye. Okay, good morning, guys. Today is day 2 of the safari. It's very early. Whew. But it is overcast. It was definitely raining last night, and lightning and thunder. But yeah, we're about to start the first game of the morning. Hi, Grand Rising. Where are the elephants? Over here. Where are the lions? Where are the tigers? Oh, hi, elephants.
Look at them just out grazing.
What we could do here.
Not good.
I'm coming up. Come to eat.
Can't really capture the elephants this morning, but they're right over there. And we're so excited because we've been looking for them. And there's
I need them.
buffalo.
To come closer.
They need to come closer. I think they're eating. So, Habari Sabuhi. Y'all, people say I don't speak Swahili. Habari Sabuhi. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But we're here on the morning game. looks like a female lion, right? Looks like a female lion.
I couldn't really see her face. Did you get a zoom in?
Not that good. Yeah.
Why was you busy listening to?
I know.
I was looking in the tree for a leopard. It's slow.
Yeah, but it looks like a female lion, and it's hiding now. But
yeah.
Yeah, so there was an impala that was just killed. Well, not just killed, but a part of there is just sitting over there. I'm not gonna show it. Just bring you guys that. But we're all wondering, like, why did it leave part of it and not get the whole thing? So,
Anybody?
oh
my gosh! He's going out to get the. Is he going out to get the lion?
don't get ate. We need to get back.
We need a driver.
I mean, I can shift in the first. You know how far that's gonna get us.
What mountain is that over there?
Over there?
Yeah.
Huh? That one?
Yeah.
That one is not mountain.
That's not a mountain?
No, that is a cloud.
No, behind it is a mountain.
Behind it, no, the mountain is over there.
No, that is a mountain.
That's a mountain.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Something behind of that one.
Behind the cloud is the mountain. That's a huge mountain.
What is it if it's not?
It's okay if you don't know.
Oh, that one.
That, yeah.
Look
that
at this side.
What is it?
So, because you know here we have a lot of mountains over there. So most of them over here is not have no names.
You don't know the name of it. It's okay. Okay, so far, this of course has been just a great experience. I highly recommend if you get an opportunity to come here to Tanzania. It's just really amazing to see them in like their natural habitat. Like this is how they be, and it's really dope. It's really dope that they just all coexist together. The buffalo, the zebras, the antelopes, the impalas, they were just like roaming together, just in harmony, which was very cool. And seeing a lion, we saw a female lion. We haven't seen a male lion, and just one. But she was chilling, so it was worth it. And just, it's really, I always say this, but it's really hard to really capture the beauty of something somewhere if you're not physically here, because beauty is just beyond visuals. It's the air, it's the smells, it's just the feeling of it. It's remarkable. And this is not even like one of the major safaris that this is not even one of the major safaris you can go on. I believe the Serengeti is like the biggest one. But it is one that you can do that is closer to Dar than going all the way to Serengeti, but also a little bit more affordable. So if you're on a budget, you can see some animals, and until you want to make that one to the Serengeti. I definitely want to do the Serengeti one day. That is a big goal, because there are other animals there that aren't here. And the likelihood of you seeing, it's just going to be more in the Serengeti. But yes, this has been very positive. Very happy that I'm here, and this is really my first weekend outside of, since I've been in Africa, my first weekend outside of Dar. So I think now we're about to, or later on, we're going to go to the Maasai village, and I don't even know what's going to happen, but tune in.